Here's a rhythm pattern you can use in tens of thousands of songs. There's a slight accent in the first beat. Louder, down, down, up, down, up. I'm going to keep this going and you can strum along with me. Down, down, up. A few more times. Once more. In the song Leaving in a Jet Plane, which is just an example of thousands of songs, you would start with the G, C add 9, G, C add 9, G, C add 9, D, and D again, and back to the start. You can repeat that exact chord sequence for the whole song from start to finish.